Hi, so today I will show you the unboxing of Samsung Galaxy S6 Lite 2022 series model. So right now I just received this box from Amazon, so let's open it together. There is nothing inside. So this is Samsung Galaxy S6 Lite series 2022. So do not accept. So one thing I will show you that when you will receive this Samsung Galaxy tab, so you must be checked this seal. So you can see it's already adjusted properly. So if you see this seal is broken, that it already written here, it says do not accept if seal is broken. So if this seal is properly labeled, that means it's the original product. And here you can see all the important features of this tab. So let's try to open this together. And this seal is, you can see this seal is in both sides. Here this side there is one, and there is another one. So there is obviously there should be two seal. So you have to check this seal before open the tab. So there is nothing, and here you can see the tab is here. Yeah, so this is the tab, and inside this you can see there is a USB-C cable, and there is a Samsung original adapter, and also you can see there is a pin to open the SIM or the memory card slot. So you have this one. And also you can see there is a pen, include this for drawing and writing. So you have this pen inside, and that's it. I think there is nothing inside. Yeah, so there is nothing inside. You have this charging cable, you have this adapter, you have this pen, and this memory card or SIM slot opener. So you have these four things, and with the tab. So now I will open the tab. So it's really looks amazing, this color, and you can see the front side is really nice, and the back side is also really looks awesome. And there is a camera, you can see the camera is also protected when you buy the new one. So you can see the camera is covered by a tape. So now I will open this. So you can see there is a button for volume down and up, and there is a power button, and you can see there is a USB-C charging slot, and it has a speaker here. Yeah, it has two speakers. One speaker is this side, and another speaker is this side. And also you can see there is a microphone slot, you can use it for microphone. And let's see, yeah, and here you can see this is the memory slot, you can use the external memory here. So let's open the device. Samsung Galaxy, powered by Android. So from my personal opinion, uh, like when I saw the specification of this device, it's really amazing. So this is 4 GB RAM and 64 GB ROM, and I think it's a good deal with the amount. So here you can select, first you can select the language. So I will select the English United States here for language, and then click OK, and then press on start button. Yeah, so for your review here you need to click on the agreement for the device, the privacy policy. So just click on agree and then press on next. Then it's asking for selecting a Wi-Fi network. So if you have Wi-Fi at your home, you can select your Wi-Fi. So here I will select my one. So here I can see if the first one is my Wi-Fi name. So I will connect my Wi-Fi now for a moment. So here I connected my Wi-Fi, so it will need some time to refresh the backs in the background. So now it will check for update. So I think it's fine for the first time. When you will connect the Wi-Fi, it will take some time to update everything. So I will obviously pause the video. If it needs more time, then I will show you the rest of the process. So it says getting your tablet ready. This may take a few minutes. Okay, so after checking updates, then it will ask you for copy and apps data to any Google or media. Then I will select the next. So if you don't want, then you can skip this option. So it says select a source like Android or iPhone. So I think this time I don't need to choose my data. Then I click on back, so don't copy right now. And then checking information, it will check the internal information of this device. Okay, so now it asks me to sign in to a Google account. So if you want, you can do it this time, or if you can do it later on. So I will skip this step right now, and then I will accept the Google service agreement. So here it asks you to select your search engine. So here I will select the Google, here Google, then next. So protect your tablet. So here it says to protect your tablet by using face recognition and pattern, pin and password. So there are 4 options, you can select any one from here. So first now for the first time I will select a pattern right now. So you can see, so here randomly I will set a pattern right now. So for the security purpose I used the first time a pattern. You can use the password or the face recognition. I will do it later. You can do it also in the first time, it's your wish. Okay, so here it says to enter an email or phone number. So I will also do it later. If you want, you can do it. There is no problem, as I am showing you the process for the first time. So now I skip this. So and then again skip out all. You can use, there are so many things if you want to sign in here. So for now I will skip here, and then you are all set, then finish. Yeah, so I think these are the all steps. So now you can see the tab is now is ready for use. So first I will check the configuration from setting. Obviously you can see the battery capacity is available here. So there is 7040 ampere battery, so it will last for a long time. Yeah, I think that's all about this tab. So now I will use this pen. So I think you can also do it later. You have to connect this pen with the tab. So it's already, you can see the pen is already work here. So let me show you. You can see if I select here, it works. So if you select somewhere, you can see it's also works here. So yeah, so the pen is already works. Yeah, you can use this pen for writing, drawing and everything. Yeah, that's all from my side. Bye bye.